Alright, let's dive in. Computers, as we know, store a ton of information. This information often resides in files like text documents, spreadsheets, or even images. Python, being the clever programming language it is, can work with these files. It can read information from them and even write new information into them. This skill is known as file handling, and it's a crucial part of programming. Understanding how to handle files can open up a world of possibilities for you. It allows your programs to become more powerful, enabling you to save data that your program creates, ensuring it's not lost when the program stops. File handling is useful for many reasons. Imagine you have a program that collects user names and you want to save these names. You can use file handling to store them in a file, and later your program can read these names back. Or perhaps you want your program to read settings from a configuration file, allowing users to change how your program works without altering the code. This is incredibly convenient. File handling lets your programs remember things and communicate with other programs by sharing data through files, making your Python scripts more versatile. Think about the data you use every day. Recipes might be stored in a text file, and a list of your favorite songs could be in another file. Your Python programs can access this kind of data. You could write a program to search for a recipe or one to pick a random song from your list. This is all possible because of file handling. It connects your Python code to the world of stored information. Learning this skill is like learning a new way for your programs to see and remember. It's a fundamental building block for bigger projects. So, what will we learn? We will learn how to tell Python which file to use, how to open files, how to read information already in a file, and how to write new information into a file. Python makes these tasks quite simple. You don't need to be an expert to start. We'll go step by step, and soon, you'll be handling files in your Python programs with confidence. This will make your coding journey even more exciting and productive for you. So to work with a file in Python, the first thing you need to do is open it. Python provides a built-in function for this, called. This function is your key to unlocking files. When you need to tell Python two main things: the name of the file and the mode. The name is usually a string, like my _document.txt. The mode tells Python what you want to do with the file. For example, do you want to read from it or write to it? This is very important. Let's look at an example of opening a file to read it. The mode for reading is R. So, you might write code like this. Here, my _notes.txt is the name of the file we want to open, and the R means we are opening it in read mode. This means we can only read data from the file. We cannot change it or add new data in this mode. The function returns something called a file object.